8:45 p.m. At 8:24 p.m.
The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southern Boone County in north central Illinois until 1 a.m. At 8:30 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorm with inches per hour. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Belvedere, Love Park, Poplar Grove, Candlewood Lake, Cherry Valley, Timber Lane, and Garden Prairie. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.